Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Tradingview Beginner Easy Guide. Open Tradingview and create a free account to follow along. Start by loading a chart, selecting a time frame, and choosing candle types that suit your analysis. Add a simple moving average and volume to begin, then practice drawing trend lines to mark support and resistance. Keep settings clean so you can focus on learning patterns and building confidence. Open a chart and choose a time frame that matches your trading goals, like 1M, 1H, or daily. Observe candlesticks and volume to spot momentum and possible reversals, and add just one or two indicators like MA or RSI to confirm ideas. Use drawing tools for trend lines and horizontal levels to structure entries and exits. Save the layout and keep a tidy workspace to speed up your decision-making. Set alerts on price levels and indicator crosses so you get notified without staring at charts all day. Run the strategy tester to backtest setups against historical data and check performance metrics to learn what works. Use multi-chart layouts and sync timeframes to compare instruments side by side and refine entries. Try replay mode to practice timing, and keep a trading journal to record lessons and improve steadily over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.